Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain tube in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 70mm nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of needle-nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain tube. The drain tube serves as an extension connecting the dishwasher drain hose to the air gap. The main reason why the drain tube would need to be replaced is if it cracks, causing a water leak. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. And using the 7mm nut driver, I'm going to loosen up that clamp, move it down, and then I'm gonna take off the hose from the air gap. Be careful, it might have some water in there. Alright, now we're gonna pull out the dishwasher. I'm gonna hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. Let's turn the dishwasher on one side so we can get access to the back. I'm going to pull the drain hose out of this divider. And now I'm going to disconnect this joint. I'm going to use a 7mm nut driver. I'm going to loosen up the clamp, slide it down. And then I'm going to pull on that joint. I'm going to go side to side. All right. Place it down. Then I'm going to remove this hose clamp. I'm going to use a 7mm nut driver. Loosen up the clamp, slide it off. This is the old drain tube next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right now I'm going to connect these two hoses. I'm going to slide this on. You can use a little bit of soap to make it easier. And then we have a clamp here on this drain hose here. I'm going to use the 7mm nut driver, slide it on between these two lines, and tighten it. And the second hose clamp goes on this side of the tube. We're going to slightly tighten it. And then I'm going to insert it into the divider opening. Just slide it through the cutout. And then we're going to connect it to the air gap. And now we can put the dishwasher back under the counter. Now we're going to duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shutter valve and tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Now I'm going to install the drain hose to the air gap and push it on.
and slide the clamp on. And I'm going to tighten it using the 7mm nut driver.
And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.